Hi, this is Brad Linder with mobiputing, and I have here a Motorola Zoom Android tablet running Google Android 3.0, and I wanted to show you a Android 3.0 application called Reddita. It's a Reddit client for Honeycomb, and as far as I know it's the first one designed specifically for Android tablets, and it allows you to view the Reddit website with user-submitted articles, pictures, comments, etc. In a pretty intuitive user interface. So here we are on the front page, and you can see a list of stories and also a list of different categories here. So you can go to different subreddits, funny, politics, Android, and so forth. And then when you click on the different items here, you get a browser here that shows the different content. So in this case, it's a picture that was uploaded, and if you want to see the comments that people left, you just tap the comment link, and you can see all the comments that have been left. You can expand to vote up or down, or submit your own response. You can sort by best, hot, new, controversial, top, or old comments. So that's what happens when you look at a picture. Let's see an article here. So it'll actually load the time.com website here, and then you want to see the where are we? Discussion. Again, you just click the discussion link, and that'll come up. And you can also open in a browser any of the pages if you want to see them in the full Android web browser. Switch to the Android subreddit. You know, it looks pretty much the same, but we've just got the Android data here, and even loads YouTube. Does it handle YouTube video? Looks like it's having some issues with the flash. But again, you can switch to the browser if you like. You can toggle to full screen mode, or you can open it in the YouTube application. Now there's a number of different settings in here. You can also go to your profile and messages and view your user profile and your inbox. So you can see comments that you've left in the past, you can see messages, and in the settings you can also choose whether or not to show upvotes and downvotes. You can choose whether or not to automatically check for mail, how often you want to automatically check for mail, and then whether it should play a sound to alert you when you have new messages. So as it is right now, when there's a new message at your account, you'll get a notification. You can enable the sounds, and you'll get a note, an audio note as well. I just turned on the upvotes and downvotes, and I don't know how well you can see this, but over here we can actually see on the different articles how many times they've been voted up or down, as well as how many comments have been left. So overall, really nice interface. And click refresh. Pretty fast. It's not exactly like using the Reddit website, but in some ways that's a good thing. In some ways it's Reddit as if it were designed for a tablet as opposed to for a desktop computer, and Reddit has a relatively sparse user interface on the web browser. So this actually in some ways is easier to navigate and prettier than the full Reddit experience. Of course, you can just go to Reddit in a web browser if you want to. But if you ask me, the experience is just not nearly as good on Android using a web browser as it is using the Reddita client. So there you go. That's a quick look at Reddita for Google Android 3.0 Honeycomb Android tablets. This is Brad Linder with mobiputing.